We just finished sanding our next support for the spiral stairs, design slash support. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to hide most of the screws. For example, this cap right here, it adds design, but it also hides 4 screws. And same way with here, this one hides 6. Now we are going to have some screw heads show, and that's okay, that's part of the design. But we can hide a lot of them. And for example, this layer, we're really hiding all of them. And then here, we're leaving some gaps here. Trying to also make sure that I have 4 screws in each one. So we have 2 here and 2 in the bottom piece to hold it all together. Here we have 3, so I guess we're going away from our 4, but in here we have 3 here, but then we only have 2 here. So it does come down to 2 screws because there's 2 at the top also. Okay, so I'm going to start screwing this together, and then we can oil it and have it ready for another day. And we were doing some observing here on the spiral stairs, but we'll go over that later about how these are kind of showing that a couple of my other ones are not straight. So we're going to go back and change them too. And I need to pick up some more lumber as their state because I'm out of the short cutoffs. I have other stuff in the shop here, but I have this pile down there I'm really trying to use up. So I really want to pull them out of there. Okay, let's put it together.